Okay, so here are the steps you need to complete to add your activity logs into each subject. So if you notice here, I'm in the teacher app, Agilix Buzz view, and if I come down to my first elective, Art 3, I'm going to click on the editor or the pencil. This part I have already done, but basically what I did is if you hide it on the lesson, that should make them appear hidden for everything underneath that category as well. Now, the cool thing is on the student side, if you notice their green bars are a whole lot longer because they have actually completed much of their content for the year. Okay, so now we need to start to add things in. And I'm going to go ahead and I want to click on add a folder. And I'm going to call this, okay, so I am going to go ahead and call this the quarter one art activity log. And the second thing I really want to do is, just in case they can't find it, I would like to actually go in and link it back to their assignment. So if I click on my Google Classroom and I go over to the classwork tab, I can see here is my art activity log, and if I click on that, I can copy the link and then go back to Agilix Buzz and insert the URL and type in that this is their quarter log for art. When I go ahead and do the quarter 2 and quarter 3 and quarter 4 assignments, I will use the exact same link because I'm planning on keeping them all on the same page and just unsubmitting after they turn it in. Okay, so that is all I need to do here. I can also add a note that this log should be completed every week. Then I'm done, and I want to click on the Save button. Okay, so here I'm going to click on this plus button, and I'm going to add it in as an assignment, and I will worry a little bit later on making this an assessment for the weighted value on the next screen. So for the assignment title, I put in quarter 1 art activity log, and I just said, please type in the comment box that your art activity log is ready to be graded. They do have functionality in the system where you can have them upload their Google Doc onto Nova, but since we already have it in Google Classroom, that just seems a little redundant to get it 2 different ways, and I think this will cut down on questions. So if you'll notice here, the box is marked as being gradable. I would go ahead and change this to an assessment so that it flows into the proper weighted category. And then from there, the submission type, you can make it a single document, and then again, I click on Save. Okay, so now inside my quarterly 1 activity log, I have the actual assignment. If I wanted to, I can go ahead and duplicate and then click the Edit Pencil, and then this one will just be called the quarter 2 activity log. All my settings are the same, so I'm going to click Save and duplicate again. Duplicate and then click the pencil to change it to say quarter 3 activity log. And save up at the top. and duplicate again to make it the Q4 activity log. And then save up at the top. So I'm just going to go ahead and rename that folder now to just be the art activity log. And maybe I'll even just put, okay, this is what it looked before, like on the student side, and I wasn't very happy with that. The other change that I will put in the edited video is I feel like these instructions up at the top are way too small. So hopefully when you watch the video, you would have seen the notation where I tell you to increase the size of your font.